Good morning, everybody. This is part two for the social marketing planning process. You can find the slides in lecture 5 from slide 41. Okay, let's talk about the step number 6, which is crafting a desired positioning. What is a positioning? Positioning means the perception that you want to put in the mind of the target market. Okay, so you have here to answer a question where you want your social idea to be, where you want your social idea to be, and here you want to decide what is the main message you want to deliver to your target audience, because positioning is about the main message you want to put in the mind of the target audience. Okay, you can translate positioning into logo, slogan, and the colors you use in the social marketing campaign. Okay, so when you do that, here you craft a desired positioning. Okay, so let's talk about step number 7, which is developing a strategic marketing mix. Okay, here you will describe the product, price, promotion, and place strategies, and you will need these elements to constitute your marketing mix. Okay, for the product, we have to memorize that our product here is the social idea or the social behavior we want our target audience to adopt. Okay, so we don't promote here any goods or services. We promote social idea or social behavior. Okay, so the product here, we have 3 elements of the product. The first thing is the core product. And when we talk about core product, the core product is the benefits of the social idea that the target audience will experience as a result of adopting this behavior. Okay, so the core product here relates to the benefits of the behavior or to the social idea. Okay, so here we have to talk about the benefits. Okay, what is the actual product? The actual product is the desired behavior you want to persuade your target audience to adopt. Okay, so there's a difference between the core product and the actual product. The core product is about the benefits. The actual product is about the desired behavior. So what is about the augmented product? If you have any tangible objects you wanted to distribute in your campaign, these are the augmented products, such as vaccines, books, healthy meals. Okay, so anything you want to distribute which is tangible, this is the augmented product. Sometimes the campaign or the social marketing campaign has an augmented product, and sometimes some social marketing campaigns don't have any augmented product. So according to your chosen social idea, maybe you have an augmented product or you don't have an augmented product. So again, what is the augmented product? The augmented product is any tangible objects you want to distribute in your campaign. Okay, the second element is price. Okay, when we talk about price here, we have 4 types of price. Okay, okay, when we talk about price, we have here 4 types of price. You have to decide if you have just one type or more than one type of price in your campaign. The first one is about program related monetary costs. Okay, the target audience will pay, which means that if the target audience would buy vaccines, medications, some books, or join a course, okay, so this is program related monetary costs. Okay, sometimes you will give them incentives, okay, which is the second type. So you want here to give them discount coupons or rebates, okay, as a kind of incentives here. Sometimes you will use monetary disincentives. Okay, such as fines, okay, if they don't obey the law, okay. So you can use here monetary disincentives, okay. Sometimes you can use non-monetary disincentives, okay. And when we talk about disincentives here or non-monetary disincentives, we talk here about the negative reputation or the negative image you will have in the society because you don't adopt this behavior, okay. So it's non-monetary disincentives, okay. What about place? Okay, when we talk about place here, it doesn't mean that you will distribute your social idea or your social behavior in distribution channels in supermarkets or hypermarkets, but it's different here in social marketing, okay. In traditional marketing, when we talk about place, we talk about distributing goods and services in supermarkets and hypermarkets. But in social marketing, when we talk about place, we talk about how to meet our target market, okay? How the target market will perform the desired behavior or acquire any campaign related tangible objects, okay? Maybe you will build some booths in the universities or schools to distribute flyers or books or any objects related to the campaign. So this is a type of a place. Sometimes you want to make seminars or lectures to create awareness among the target audience, okay. So here we talk about place too, okay. So when we talk about place here, how would you deliver your message to your target market? How would you distribute your tangible objects? Maybe so it is different here from the traditional market, okay, marketing. What about promotion? When we talk about promotion here, we need to decide on some elements. The first element, we wanted to talk about the key message you wanted to deliver to your target audience, what you want to communicate, what is the key message or the main message you want to deliver, okay. Maybe you wanted to have some messengers, okay, to deliver your message, such as the spokespersons of a specific ministry, sponsors, partners, actors. Maybe you wanted to use to deliver your message, okay. Here you wanted to choose communication channels too. Maybe you wanted to use television, radio, internet, billboards, okay. So you want here to be more specific about your communication channels. You want also to define your slogans and taglines in this part, okay. Let's talk about the plan for monitoring and evaluation, okay. And this is a time for evaluation here. How would you evaluate your efforts and how would you evaluate your campaign, okay. You will evaluate your campaign according three measures, okay. The first one is about output measures, okay, and they are related here to the campaign activities, and you want here to know that the output measures are about numbers, okay. The numbers of people viewed your message, okay. The number of people read your post, okay. The number of people watched your video on YouTube, okay. So here we talk about numbers. Output measure is about numbers, okay. What about the outcome measures, okay? They aren't about numbers, but they are about knowledge, beliefs, behavior. How would you measure the change in knowledge, belief, and behavior? So you have to tell us in this part, how would you measure the change in knowledge, beliefs, and behavior, okay? The third Okay, when we talk about impact measure, we talk here about the impact of the social campaign on the society. Okay, how it relates to the society, how it will develop or improve the society. Okay, so the impact here doesn't relate to the target audience, but it relates to the society as a whole. Okay, how would you improve your society according to your social idea? Okay, this is the impact measure. Okay, let's talk about the step number 9, which is about establishing budgets and find funding sources. And here you can estimate the budget you need, and sometimes you can talk about the funding sources if you have any funding sources to your campaign, or you can suggest your funding sources here. Okay, maybe you wanted to have a partnership with a specific organization and they can give you some funds for your organization. Okay, so if you have any partners, or you suggest to have partners in your campaign, you can write it down. Okay, the step number 8 is about the implementation plan, and here you can talk about execution. Okay, you can put a timetable and arrange your communication tools, such as I will use billboards first, and then I will use TV ads. Maybe after that I will use social media campaign. Okay, so here you have a timetable with dates, time frames. Okay, and maybe it can have budgets. Okay, and responsibilities if you have more than one in your team. Okay, so when we have an implementation plan, here we have specific plan about how to execute our campaign, how to manage our communication tools. Maybe we wanted to begin with TV teasers. Okay, and then we can use billboards, then we can use social media pages, and so on.